What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I want to talk about Tesla. Really quick, let's just review the gains for today. As you can see here, we're up $66,496. Today we made about $359 on TSM. I sold that position. I knew that we had some potential weakness coming in, but I want to get into Tesla. It definitely is showing weakness. There is a reason today with their EV credits potential tax cut getting cut. That's $7,500. Going on Fidelity, you can see here, it just talks about how the equities are falling because of the Fed chair remarks, basically talking about cutting rates not as fast. I think what we really need to focus on, though, is there is a potential scalp slash intraday swing trade on our way with Tesla. I'm going to bring up the Webull chart. I think it's a little easier to show it, especially for the video. It's a little cleaner for you. But we had Tesla gap up from 215 all the way up to 270, and then it gapped all the way up to 360. We're having a pullback, and I think this is a much needed pullback. But let's go on the Webull chart. Let's break it down. All right, so we got Webull up. We're looking at Tesla right now. Take a position overnight around 307. I'm going to try to be patient for one more day. I do think that this could be a potential entry, but for myself, I told myself that I'm going to start scalping around this level right here. Let me just bring it up on a rectangular box just so you can see. I have been waiting for this zone basically since it's been at 360. So definitely as a scalper, as a person that goes long a lot, that type of trader, this is the zone that I am looking for, that I want to get in. So we had this nice consolidation here around 288, 290. And then we had a little consolidation here in this zone around 297 to 300. Now, Tesla on the intraday just today has sold off all the way from 331 from the top of here all the way down to 306. That's 7%. So I'm looking for a move back to 300. So I got to be realistic about this percentage loss to actually get a scalp in position play here. So when I'm looking at it here, I don't know where we're going to open up tomorrow, but let's just move from 306 down to 300. There's only like a 2 to 3% red move. So we're going to have to be careful trading this. But I definitely think just because the 300 whole dollar, I'm gonna be one of the buyers waiting just to buy at that whole level. Sometimes when you're scalping, especially like I do, like I'm not taking a long position, I'm not holding at 300, but a move back to 300, maybe 299, and then I'm thinking a pop back to like 310 was definitely reasonable. And if you look at that percentage gain, I'm not really looking for much here. I mean, that's a 3 to 4% move. I definitely think there is some potential long play here. I can imagine bulls coming in around a little bit above 300. So hopefully tomorrow we get one more, a little bit of sell off, and then we'll take it from there. It's definitely still making lower lows, as you can see, in the after hours. I just want to reiterate, these are the levels. I mean, look at the chart on a long-term level right here. You can see 3 months out, that 273 to 275, this zone in yellow right here, there is definitely room for a potential buy. This would be the ultimate long around 275. But this zone here where it consolidated just right about here, consolidated from 285 up to 297, I'm going to be a buyer at this 297 level. I'm going to see if I can try to scalp this tomorrow. Or who knows, maybe we wake up tomorrow and Tesla's back up to 320. But that's my trade idea for Tesla tomorrow. I'm going to be a first-time buyer at 300, and I'm going to see if I can scalp those levels for points, and definitely could make a good profit there if we can get 5 to 10 points. That's what we're looking for. So 2% move. If it gets to 310, 3.7% move, that's what I'm looking for. I mean, just look at the 5-day, 5-minute. Look at the RSI on it. It's about a 42, it looks like. If you zoom in here, you can see it on the bottom of my screen. We need this to sell off just a little bit more. So with this news coming out with the EV credits, it definitely is possible. So we'll keep an eye on it tomorrow for a potential move. So the Discord is something that I'm definitely looking into. I just got to learn how to do it. If you haven't, been notified yet, check out my Twitter, check out my TikTok. I definitely post videos on these as well. And check out my playlist if you're interested. I started making more videos on Vanguard, different funds on this. I have Fidelity Index funds as well. But definitely more playlists based on this, just like Vanguard's Mid Cap Index VO, VOO, the beginner's guide for just learning the website and how to use it. And then I posted a new video on FVIAX as well, which is a beginner's guide to investing as well. So definitely check that out. I appreciate you guys tuning in. I just wanted to show this. I was thinking about creating a Discord for trading. I made a post on my community. So far, 87% say yes out of 15 votes. So I definitely appreciate you voting on that.